In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find downloaded files in BlueStacks. We will walk through where BlueStacks stores things like downloads, screenshots, and photos so you can open or move them easily. First, open BlueStacks 5. If it is already running, bring its window to the front so it fills your screen. You should see the main BlueStacks home area, with your installed apps laid out in a grid and a toolbar along the side or bottom. If BlueStacks takes a moment to load, wait until all app icons appear clearly and any loading spinner has stopped. That tells you BlueStacks is fully ready for the next step. Now click System Apps. You will usually find System Apps near the top of the app grid, and the icon often looks like a small folder or a group of basic apps. When you click it, BlueStacks opens a new panel that shows built-in tools such as Settings, Media Manager, and sometimes a browser or help app. If you accidentally click another icon, just close that window and click System Apps again. From there, open Media Manager. Look for the Media Manager icon inside the System Apps window. It often looks like a gallery or file style icon. Click it once and a larger window appears, usually in the center of BlueStacks, showing sections like Gallery, Import from Windows, and Explore. Media Manager is where BlueStacks organizes your internal folders so you can see pictures, videos, and downloaded files that apps inside BlueStacks saved. If the window is blank for a second, give it a moment while it scans your files. Next, click Explore. Explore is usually a tab or button along the top or left side of Media Manager. When you click it, the view changes from simple thumbnails to a folder-style layout, similar to a file manager. You should now see a list of folders with names like Download, Pictures, DCIM, and Documents, often with small folder icons next to them. If you do not see these right away, check that you are on the Explore section and not still on Gallery. Now open folders like Download, Pictures, DCIM, and Documents, one at a time. Start with Download. This is where most files saved by a browser or an app go, such as PDFs or APK files. When you open it, you will see a list of filelines and sometimes small previews, which means the files are ready to open or export. Next, open Pictures. This typically holds images saved by apps, stickers, or anything an app tagged as a picture. Then open DCIM, which is where camera-style apps play screenshots and photos, so check here if you used a camera app inside BlueStacks. Finally, open Documents. This folder is often used for text files, office documents, or anything an app classifies as a document. You can move back and forth between these folders to track down the exact downloaded file you need. You have now learned how to open BlueStacks 5, reach Media Manager, and explore key folders to find your downloaded files. If this helped you track down a missing file, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple BlueStacks tips.